Buddy, the locksmith. Buddy, come here, baby. Come here. But I want you to show everybody how you can let yourself out of this locked apartment, even after we put the deadbolt on. You notice here, we put the key in the lock, and we're going to put the deadbolt on, and we're going to go out and see what happens when we put the deadbolt on with Buddy. It's on. Buddy, what are you doing, buddy? Buddy, come here, buddy. Buddy, what are you doing, buddy? Come on. Buddy? Buddy, what are you doing, buddy? Buddy? As much as you want to help her, you just can't. They're kids, they've got to grow up and learn on their own. Buddy? Buddy, come on. Buddy? Come on, buddy. Come on, baby. There you go. Good little boy.